So I just want to wrap up. I know that we're at the top of the hour here, so we're going to end it. But here's a quick comparison slide showing Business Central and Finance and Operations side by side. As you can see here on the left in the Business Central column, geared a little bit more toward SMB-sized businesses. That being said, it is a highly scalable solution. So as Bill mentioned, it's a small footprint, but you can grow it out, and it actually does go pretty deep in discrete manufacturing, not quite as deep in process manufacturing and some of the more complex aspects of production that you'll get in finance and operations. The licensing is a bit more affordable with Business Central as well at $100 per user per month if you're using the manufacturing capabilities. Both cloud-based solutions, and you can see here the implementation time. These are just rough estimates on how long it might take your organization, how much work it might take to get that implemented for you. And you can see here finance and operations on the right, advanced capabilities in production and supply chain, discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, lean manufacturing, and a lot more sophisticated features that can map to your complex operations and financial structures and global structures if you are a global organization as well. So if you have questions on which one might be right for you, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Like I said, we offer free consultation around helping you evaluate ERP solutions for your organization. I do encourage you to take advantage of the ERP Fit Gap assessment. As I said, this could be just a structured, or it could be an informal conversation around your goals, or it could be a structured conversation around what exactly you're doing in your ERP today, where the fit gaps lie between that and the Microsoft Dynamics 365 solutions. So feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for joining us today. Bill and Javier, thank you guys for presenting, and keep an eye out for that follow-up email. Have a great day.